Hello, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we will understand transaction delete, transaction reprocess, and installment tracker reprocess. I'm searching a loan. In installment tracker, there are two installments due. The first installment, interest 200, and second installment 100. I will receive the interest part and the installment. In the first installment, due is 1200. Second installment 1100. In installment tracker, I refresh, two installment received. In summary, interest income 300 booked. But somehow I realized this was supposed to be 100. So I click here and change this to 100. Now it shows me that interest received 200, whereas summary shows interest received 300. Now I have to correct this. So for that I will go to transaction, click here and reprocess transaction. If I go to summary, it will still show me 300 received, but in installment it will correct this amount to 300, and now we can see one installment partially received. However, interest is received partially from principal received. Now from transaction, in another scenario, I realize that this amount is not correctly received. This was supposed to be 1100. I click and change the amount 1100. I click change amount and then I click reprocess transaction. Now in summary, interest book 200, and in installment also the interest book 200. So by using this feature of transaction reprocess, I can correct installment tracker as well as the accounting entries created due to the transaction. Now I want to delete the transaction, any transaction in installment tracker. I can go here and click this delete transaction. This transaction will be deleted. But if you delete the transaction in middle, then obviously you will have to reprocess the transaction so that accounting entries will get corrected automatically. In case you are deleting the last transaction, then this process is not required. In summary, 100 income, installment also it is corrected. Okay, thank you for watching Jainam Software video. Have a great day.